Gitebe Technical Training Institute nigo ikurwa amegeri jechikosi ao bunabono building and construction kusubwagachi abwasiba kwegeria ubwagachi bw'ikinyumba naboigo ebiwanda ao kurobare ekose ya version design garment na dressmaking gusi ubusoni bw'icyanga n'ebintu ao abu ase bari na mbeyemo asugutwara chimashine ichekerero n'ebindi binge nkwegeriye bare amangana a beauty and hairdressing aigon kwegeriye bare igorya pedicure manicure barbering braiding plating na yande amange ICT aigano institute ye ebwatachi computer n'ebintu ebinge by'okwegeriya ICT gwetania skuru ndiyunsi era sorogongoroiga
Asama thankuru kwa Alpato Maliba mwalimu omonene Gitebe Technical Training Institute serikali yakorire bya sana asogotwa institution y'egocha saya asengencho etagete komenta ochusi ase abana bali bakole skuru ase isemi cy'obufundi nabo boliri moleta abana bache skuru linde banyore system cy'obufundi byamo
boigon kwegeria bare electrical engineering power option boigon neroro asaba kwegeria igorye chinguru cy'umuriro bwestima na kubeka chinguru cyo ase emeche n'iki company ao secretarial na plumbing katiye chindi chinyingi munabono social work human resource management na nigo bakora chikosi echi ase ebiringo bya arts and short courses certificate na diploma nigo ebwate aborokia babwate obumanyi bebirengo bikromono mbayitirine wizarega megeria yega nabo ondebwensi akwegerigwa inchobono utari kubwate kegori utari kubwate numumurore usino mweseke Gitebe Technical Training Institute nikikotoka kilomita eyemoyoka kurwasomochi umugwawa asepare nene yilami yakore konge kogenda chebera
inche Kenneth Mongare Ngaga, a Dean of Student, Gitebe Training Institute. Iga karokwaretro mwana wa Gitebe security gere guaranteed. At present, abana tuwate 600 in all the departments togoson. Na yonyolire kwaretro mwana atuare skills tokonye Kenya.
Asamange bakiresimi ase namba 0713985300. Gitebe Technical Training Institute, skills for self-reliance.
Inye mwanchu mulgerere cheli tukaliga ya gatarna limo hositariki sana na mocho mutinyo mutangana kigima wo mwaka bwechirwe na 25 na mo ne kionga chinsenya senchira iyo boikirano je niga gorkwaro ni toto nyangirio hito kubwatira na kwanza imanyerelio niga gorkwa Wilson Makori na se kionga chinsenye aya niga tiana kwaleganario mwanchu mulgerere
Ande kuna nate abana tubungeru chinati gari ngesengenje tokuoga nga wanta ntori go change tochiko tukama mutu yo monto to niege saku
ntori go chigonchurelia birengera byaito igoro yogosira eganga ya Dr. Freddy Okengo Matiang'i yone ngwana yo mujumbe we bunge ya kitutu Masaba omoske kraivu ombane gisairo
abwato mujando mugako yashirete mugako yanyina ashira tabwati mwana onde yabwato omwana oyo gweka ondeta yora mokonye mongino yo kamya washawo kurwara bona tabwati kende gionshi
omongina halskirbo arani kobolia nyarakabaga gosirwa helio mwana oya nyarakabaga kogendereria amasoma yegochia ase grade ya 10
been waiting for that commission of inquiry and that is what they need to do so that we all go to KICC there and under oath in the full glare of cameras and the country we each say what we know and what happened.
Omokonyi bomurayo munne bw'ekyama gya Jubilee muske Dr. Freddy Okengo Matiang'i kobolia oboene kunyaraka bogwasi oligwa igoro y'obocholi b'omwaka bw'ekirwe na 2022 Mwanjo muligereria kionga chinsenya ni gotoko cha korwa chisemo chia kigati nyusia ase gosime ye bunge ya Nyaribari chache ase amata ya mwerno mwichano na majanda manne magiga yo mwana obwo myaka 2 n'enusu kubura kurori tworia Jumamosi koregana ne amata yo nigo omwana oyo abwatitia bamwe abo gochiroche kurinde baro bakambuka ere agatebwa irane tegurende kurwerio nabo aborete nigo banyaka bakoboria banyaka bakobwatisigwa eri konyara kwa bakomanyanga yi omwana oyo bare
amalieta ane nguru kwerania munga oyosirete no mocho korone isega ari omwana one Susani nere nyina omwana bono chinsa agwete roche chiarenge Jumamosi saa 7 bono igo tutaete obokonyi onde bwasi obwate obomanyi atokonya omwana oyo iga atoke inya serikali emanyete ime na isiko batutumire oyo oratokonya obu nakwo ogosaba kwane serikali eto ikange etokonye seng'encha abana bane mbabwati enchera bakwenyara omwana ari emiaka ene Alex Ogara ari emiaka ene
Samarieta. Cha Marieta ane cha Sikisemba Nyarangi. Mwana mochokoro osire no mochokoro no osirete. Mwana oyo asirete ritukire Jumamosi. Chinse sana ibere. Twatemere kumuguru kuritukire paka lero. Ntora moikera. Bana lego sabo bakonyi serikali tokonya magana simaradi. Koranja akyo tokonya kiro mwana oyo ane. No mwana oyo bwati chinguru cyo korigia. Na lego sabo bakonyi serikali. Twatemere ko Jumamosi twatemere ko rigi n'abantu bamite basaba bagotubwatisia twasere chindoje twatemere karase gotoroje ngantora ikera mwana uyu twale ko sabanga okonyo ro bato okonyo ro bato twale manga imonde atokonya tubwase senyoro mutanyoro mo mwana uyu
sasa Marieta nguru kumiruka inkaera ari mugonjoro yo mwana asirete nkasini yane nje nare gwanjo yo goikera mo chumbo ko guchanda atokonya no so manyi bari bakora roje osemba tokonye senje twatemire kuru Jumamosi kuikera lero otogasaine konya gweta roje nturanyora mwana anaka yo ora ikere mo chumbo ichanda na bako totomera abantu bari bako bamaite kuru ya roje atokonyere no mwana karo diamond
chingaki amasomo iranereirwe somwaka oiga na mono etamu entang'ani yo mwaka 2026 yachakire nigo bosemi bwarurgo chiase abaibori kubwatirana amona aborokia erikoine kebuna aboroki wankonyara bare achisemi buna ebwenderete aboigo no gosirwa ase chisemi gose sokolge chisemi kera rituko boigo nigo abatumeki gose nigo kurukia rure so batumeki bwechipara koba maiso erikoine kebuna obogima bwa bana ngorendu bole chingaki gose baba bali bagotumeka para ucha sukuru na boigo no gutambuka chipara na gutume mulikito fatikari Gisemba
chingaki amasomo achakire asichisukuru na boigo aborokiwa bagenderete gosoa asichisukuru asetamu intang'ani kigima yo mwaka oyo wechirububere na 25 nigo igatia baibori bagenderete wesokia na kwemurunganiria ogokong'a kwobogima egento gekubabera akong'u nonya nokubagorera chianga abana babo.
Kwa majina naitwa Millicent Nyaboke. Mtoto wangu anaitwa Azinat Mabera, anasoma St. George's. Leo nilikuja kuuliza, alikuwa amefanya grade 6, alienda junior secondary school. Nilikuja kuuliza juu ya uniform. Maisha imekuwa ngumu, unanunua uniform, kila kitu ni mpya. Hii maisha imekuwa ngumu. Changamoto kama sisi wazazi, kuna wenye wanakuja kukaa ndani, mattress ni pesa mingi, kila kitu yenyewe, hata viatu saa hii ni kazi ngumu, hata kulisha watoto kwa nyumba ni kazi ngumu. Tunahitaji watupunguzie vitu kama vitabu, hata uniform yenyewe ndio tuweze kung'ang'ana nayo.
Nonye nabo nigo abaibori abana boda na boigo abantereba babori wekera oyomo kokora ensemo yaye buya erio koyanekia aborokiwa ingui kabare atikisukuru boigo chinga chiabo buya
abaibori nare kubasaba ekera mukubeka abana chipigipigi mwababeka chigari oche sukuru boka make sure no manyete oyo kwa omwana ningo okoba abana buna bari bamenyete sukuru borders mbaraika bonse sukuru ekero kwena no mwana oboche sukuru make sure ningo kwa omwana naende chintereba chipara chiabere chimbe enare kobasaba mwarundi chigari ng'ora ekero chinterebe echi mokoreta abana chisukuru abantu mokorundi chipigipigi ekero mokoreta abana chisukuru etukobasaba mobe very careful abana banyare goika esukuru buya nari tutatware mochando onde bonsi gochiasa abana aba baitu
Aingaki echecho nigo abaibori basabirwe kubwatirana ase obwang'e na abarimu ase ogoikerania biria bionsi biganirie ase esukuru erio kobabera aororo abana kogenderera gokoria buya ase amasomo abo
ase abaibori baranyara gokonya especially ase ebitabu bia short notes ebitabu bia revision moteme sana mugori
Inkoripotera Getembe kuraiga ase bunge ya West Mugirangi yegotoka imenye kaunti ya Nyamira Injefatigad Gisemba
omojumbe bw'ebunge ya Kitutu Masaba musikikirivu Mbane Gisairo nditukolera rero nganyara kabaka gakugikiria bali ase ugose bali babaire bakwamiriria obukoreri bwaye ase bunge ya Kitutu Masaba nabo igo bali babaire bakobagana abamenyi be bunge yo esanya kwa kwene kibunera ni garachi gukorera gusinga gendete gukorera abamenyi bonsi be bunge ya Kitutu Masaba emirimo huna bamachorete boigo niganya kwa kwanira guriganga yaye Dr. Fred Matiangi sebo ya kwanira guriyo morobori wokana which pastor imna gutume muri kweto podcast oka
Mujumu yego nyara kabaga kwigure birasi bebere na bego ne chinyomba cyake barase skuru ya Kirongo imeye wode ya Kimera igagendera kabaga kuliranga nachi ko gendera gusira amasomo kubwatikana monokoro ishili abana amazingira maya asibago somera
akinyasai onye no kubwa kange na komentere myaka non 20 ogendere ri kipindi eke igasi okona ningia
ya handi nyasama seni no rote igatakire para ali musigari akanyareta unyo ikirimote mu mwamu
egentongo gokera omwana oyo gakubure basari nagende sukuru nimbwate mwana ngosoma nagenda nakana kidazengei oyo
nigo hagendere ko bagakuba benga gisiasa barayo bagendere ko bakugikiria anene amagendera yaiga yobwagachi ase chisukuru
Eskuru yecho erabura eskuru neba sitafungwa lakini kwanya urumuntu agasa inga gitero necho akwagaje na chinko gendera kwagaje singencha bana baitumbaga nitiasagia kwa hivyo cho ntaziongeza umwako oyo komentande nande chinyinge zaidi na nyonyore kindo kunya gukwana matanga
nigatebire buna igatia barayibuna abega no bagendere ko babakubagana ebunga yiga yabo Gitutu bwa Masaba samutuka matambe yindukirere chinseme chigakwira na magega kemagenderero
siasa iliyo goteba Bogetutu rogoro Bogetutu mate Bogetutu neya ikiagara nchita abantu bane kama watu wa moja Bogetutu tebwati rogoro Bogetutu tebwati mate inero siasa ya akiru yagerire Bogetutu tanya gosuke myaka yonse togwaki gusiasa gato etani guntu tweka amagendera koraki abora
Gisero wego nigagendera ko bagakomochega tia barayi nane abarayibe county asikeringa tebali gukora emirimo yawe wekirano nane nubwagachi wechi paras bigagendera ko bagagotubabuna igo hakunyara kabaga gutigara ko yebenge serikali ngano nyamba kunyara kabako muhamagoro egati abokora isigwa wechi bara
kwa hivyo county government mokorense moya ino mwatigira abagetutu gaste yagokoruga chipara chigoeteka nicho mujumbe choka bono nkonya gokei ekemeke televisheni ndaikere lakini ninaendelea kupigana tunyagokei umusigo kwa Bagetutu igo ninda aware yestima ya ino na nitaendelea kupigana mpaka tuipate na ndio nate abana tubungeru chinati gali ngese ngenje tokuoga nga one time ntori go change tochiko tukama mutu yo monto to niege saku
omwali oye mujumbo yegani gagendera ko bagakoganira gesaku kyo magusiko nguseramo usibocho le bolene boli busiasa agendera ko bagakobasigeta abana inchi korwase county ya Nyamira nabego nabagusia bagema kumubwate si Fred Okengo Machangi asekerogo aliyetie omwaka chiriwe bere na maronge bere na isano na ibere
mochake ko yarigani mumanyete ng'echama y'omurayo ino Jubilee Party mobasa kungainwa ng'echama ndenge karonandi nabarayi bali bagusi moko gwe bitongoro bitano mwanya gutung'ainaga chikura chiaku gachaba election omogusina akorogetie direction
Gingo ripoti gitasini kia wanjete kia gatembe kuruga Augustine Semechiga chia Kirongo ime ye wadi ya Kimera ibungane ya Bugetutu wa Masabe County na ya Nyamira inche gonkuru kwa Polycarp Okara
na hea mate yomo takanwa serieta harsikirbo arani oyore omumenyi bwo mochie bwekerenyo igasokire kuboria elia nyakabaga gusirwa elio mwana oye uyu nyakabaga gwikaransa na gukora mate mwa grade 9 musa junior secondary anyare kabaga gusirwa elia nyakabaga gosa grade 10 asanya takwa kurangirwa chese sukuru ya Nyamagwa kolengana ne amateyo nigere no kugania okonne kubwatakana amo no burwire bwanyakaba kubwata omongina Aris Kirbo arani ububwa mutigire no kugania konne kuri igoro Sabold Bonsi bari bwata moyo muya banyakaba gusira omwana uyoye linanyakaba kugenda na masomo linda chikonyara kabaga kubwata kwa bakonyi gosega gokonya amateyo buna gutumanya muri kito Polycarp Okara
Ingo iga Austin Semechiga chia Kerenyo asitokomera na munomo ngina Alice Kirbo arani oyo ogotwerere njira uburuire bwa pressure na bwegono burire bwa sukari wagendera kwa bakobo muchando munene asika ke myaka 15 yaelire
bwera nchandire kana atikira amaguru nabo chokirimo kebyarambia chakire kurwa mwana wanchandigite akimonko
Yendo yo kumingelinga nigo omunsi batuyiga ari umutakanwa oyo ogendera ko bagakomenyera bweka achandigite kurwali uriro bobwa ina kosomi omwana oyo yo mokasireta Samuel Arani oyo okora grade giri yake anda kurwa skuru yake babe nabo igo gwetabuye na kurangirwa skuru ya St John's Nyamagwa ase akorera enchera obulemero bwa monyorire asatabwa tibusyo gosemagega chinga kigabana bagendera ko bakogenda ase chisukuru
asokora gerare igongo konyulinde ndi nabonye nyasa konyurira twechinjera nanyara nakonyuru nanyora nanyorira na Mario bongo tumeka
nabwata omujando mugako yashirete mugako yanyina ashira tabwati mwana onde yabwata omwana oyo bweka onde tayora amokonye mongino yo kamya wasawo kurwara bona tabwati kende gionsi nonyene nyomba tabwati ari no mujando ro mokongo tabwati ndagera asakuri nabamate bakomarantera kandagera oria bono no bare igari ukaiga no mwana na royo gweka bono ngina itete skuru
ina nigagerere njira bagende ko bagucandika nabe gucandikirwa obugima bwaye ase ogukinira obukongu
nanya no koda tindi kororare tindi korora bine kure tindo tikini kiao gionse nari komasome na masome ti academy no na mochakereti ngake ina wete chinguru na renge biya kerende kunyara tirambua ona ngoreti no akorete kurwa kanya agaite mirimo saba ali twatebe tubaire primary yani public school ngamoira kebabe
Ingana omwana oyo gakwerere njira endoto yaye arochinga chikulima ojetakonyora musamali uranyari ko bagakomokonya kugenderia egasomeke kiaye
Naomba serikali inisaidie school fees. Nimeitwa Nyamagwa Boys. Mamangu ni mgonjwa, hatuna kitu kwa nyumba. Naomba serikali tu inisaidie tu school fees peke yake tu inisaidie kunifundisha. Hii ni tu naomba serikali tu inisaidie. Hali ya maisha imekuwa ngumu. Venye mamangu alikuwa mgonjwa, alipelekwa hospitali, kabaki mimi peke yangu. Nilikuwa nasaidiwa, sikuwa na kitu kwa nyumba. Nilikuwa mimi peke yangu. Naomba tu serikali itusaidie. Hata nyumba hatuna. Hapa ni kwa wanyama tunaishi.
Ono nigo baganiria baraibale no moyo bwanja bwa sokya iyo kubasira anene mwana yiga Samuel Arani kugenderamo na masomo ye ili gwikirania endoto yaye yokoba umuralia.
Kumasha shule nataka kuwa journalist. Hiyo ni talent niko nayo. Tashule natangazanga, hiyo ni talent.
Nariko basaba batororera amabere nje n'umwana bansomeri umwana nanje nawo bagongonya no enebese ya Mario gekera na Misiri akinkonye ngosaba monkonye yani nataka monkonye serikali yankonye ro umwana nsomeri umwana achagwe akonya guchusa
akende gyo sitabwati na nyankende na marangeti tabwati tabwati kende kionsi na bari ga chana to chana ba akona bakora ya na nche kora marenta rando punyeni ga ona babwato muchanda na kurumanda tabwati kenda to agara yen ko batebia laki momororera mabera ikiagera tabwati onde bwesi tabwati mugakoye tabwati mwana onde monana nero yugweka bwate nande ngina itete
kuripoti rigetasini kia uwanjete kia gatembe kurasi nseme chiga chia Ekerenyo imenye bunga ya North Mogrange kaunti ya Nyamira inchego nkuru kwa Polycarp Okara
na homo konyi bomurayo monebe kia magia Jubilee muske Dr. Fred Okenga Matiang'i nigasokire na gukwanira achingwana chigandate kwana kigwa anna moneme kia magia ODM kubatakana amono bochore banne bo mwaka bwechiribu 2022 korengana na Matiang'i nigo abolirie ekiombe goseni gaberega ko boli na gosegeta ekiombe kero sigwikira chiko nengia alionse nyata kabakwana kigwa asabo choliobo na boigo igento kerike manyikatabna state capture ase gotebakana huna nigo ebiombe binge bya serikali bya sonnetu korwa ase serikali enene musike Matiang'i niga gukwana yuko bwatakana mono kumusana kwanya kabakwana kigwa ase bwatari bodium ababere bakomochania na koragana ebyara igoro yogotaira chikura kwa enya gusira Raila Amolo Odinga.
Your intention is to actually resolve them. Why do you go to the street? Why don't you call a meeting of that organization? And this is why we are talking about orderly, responsive and responsible government. Because the leadership is not about mounting platforms on the streets and calling each other names and shouting at each other and so on. Who needs a street conversation on the campaigns of 2022? I've often said in other platforms that if people actually wanted the truth about what happened in 2022 and so on, this administration promised us that they will form a commission of inquiry on state capture. Yes. And in that commission of inquiry, they would include a clause on the administration of elections in 2022. Yes. We have been waiting for that commission of inquiry, and that is what they need to do, so that we all go to KICC there and under oath, in the full glare of cameras and the country, we each say what we know and what happened. Some of that truth may be very devastating to some people. That is why people would choose this smoke screen confusion of all the time creating stories and all manner of stories. Let the truth be appropriated in an objective manner, not through street talks and so on. Sometimes when people want to hide responsibility, they will come up with all these stories and so on and so forth, so that it boils down to a match of who speaks louder or who shouts louder than the other. Is that really leadership? The answer, in my view, is no. I'm going to ask the Secretary General to talk about, the payment of agents and so on, because as you know, that is not something we ought to be discussing about in 2026 as we prepare for elections. Every time we are approaching a serious time of responsibility, such as we are doing, some of our leaders, especially those aligned to the administration, resort to drama and stories and lies to camouflage and to distract from answering straightforward questions and so on. We are preparing for elections as it is. And if anyone has got concerns about those agents who are not paid and so on, should they then address who hired them? And that, why should it be a national issue? Why should it be a concern for Grace and so on about which agent or as an ordinary citizen or a senior citizen like Kembi Gitura? Why should it be a matter we spend time on every day instead of focusing on the kids who are not in school right now because they have not been placed? The kids who are not in school now because their parents cannot afford the 9,000 shillings because this government cannot raise capitation. The people who have been suffered as a result of insecurity in the country. The patients who have no food at Kenyatta National Hospital or who have no medicine and so on. Instead of focusing on those issues, you are engaged in trivialities and petty things about which agents were paid and not paid. 4 years after the election, how serious are we? SG,
I think he has said it. Our party leader was engaged in fundraising. And when he was doing fundraising, resources were being given to the party, Azimio Party, for purposes of being used for the purpose they were intended, including payment of agents. One of the individuals who is in charge of managing those affairs is the SG. And you know who the SG of Azimio is and was and is even today. If we had managed it well, there is every likelihood that Raila would be in State House alive, having secured proper medical attention when he became unwell. Tuachane na hii maneno, tuende kazi nyingine sasa.
Mwanzo muri ukarabwe tokana mutimo kama kaigo tokwirana tunyara kubata kwenda na mange hime yekiunga chinsa nyago toskochara.
Subscribe ase channel ya Gatembe TV rero ili wimanye na mangana watika kira chingake ase channel ya YouTube ya Gatembe TV nigo toko kora live streaming ya mangana maya chi video ne bipindi bya Gatembe ao ngakiende yonse inyoranga ngwetera ase official channel ya Gatembe TV. Subscribe, comment ase chi video chito boigo share na basani amune amate ejo baigokie wemanye na wesemia tobase kweba turn on a notification bell yani ekengere ejo onyariko bagoko yanyora chingaki abikiri ase omtandao Gatembe Television Network ekenakyo ekeunga kiamamogusie.
Welcome to Elimu Academy, a modern school committed to offering the best education for every learner. We are CBC compliant and provide junior secondary education, ensuring a seamless academic journey for your child. We provide excellence in every detail, a modern, spacious library, fully equipped for every learner, a state-of-the-art science laboratory and a modern computer lab, perfect for hands-on, practical learning, spacious, modern classrooms for comfort and focus, top qualified teachers certified by the Ministry of Education.
In the latest Kenya National Council for Examinations KJSEA results, Elimu Academy recorded outstanding performance. Out of 48 candidates, 29 exceeded expectations, 17 met expectations, and only 2 approached expectations. Most impressively, 32 learners successfully transitioned to C1 secondary schools, a true reflection of strong academic foundation and consistent excellence. The 2026 intake and admissions are ongoing. Hurry and secure space for your child today.
Located 2 kilometers from Kisii town along the Kisii-Keroka Highway.
Call us on 0741 562 931 or 0780 894 411.
Elimu Academy, educating for eternity.
Esa marieta ankoro kwa Benista Marongo Bobe ninje principal ya Keroka Technical college gutoka Nyaribari Masaba esomwesi miwa Hak Daniel Mandu wa Kongosa tigangire libageri so wakira baibori baitombi yamone soko nyara gotoa bana na gutwara kwegena amangana activate we are very friendly yese amangana fees payment egekogera serikali ngo bakonyera abana gwetera chinjira hawa wao entangani neri ya constituent development fund, that is CDF esoko gendeza constituency yao twakulikira lirube wanya kubwato bulemeru banyara gwaka na part of your fees eli yakabere eli punko era abana baito chiron ekogere government institution nkoye kubale first priority baye ujironi bagosomera eli yakatato kare kupsia tumira marieta uchi serikali nko ba scholarships and capitation abana bagonyara gosomera igo listen teyo abana baito bamwene takobera ngamune fees ya buli tobwate various courses ndobwate agriculture ndobwate electrical and electronics ndobwate automotive, that's mechanical engineering, yebwate sections ndobwate building koro diploma arts and ndobwate nechi nyinge chirijiko ba Harvard in any institution igo bono nale kwa appeal abaiboli baleta abana banyale ko babago trainingwa egeko garanto bwato bumanyi kosomia abana baitu ko baliga ni monyale kutoletera abana ina wa January intake because negenderete umwana igota koleta document cha mapema obukiribaga in advance tak kwanyaliri jinga kichwa mwali kwanyoranga lere serikali yako na neji portal so it's good moja for admissions ya January mapema
na mwancho murigarari Ruben Kigeme uyu arokirie kerenga gyogochia kurigio Burai bwense gusekero kyo Burai bwense sobo chale barne bu mwaka wa 2025 nigo rituko ria lero abwatuka okuburia gochiase abantu ane manukuru ase county ya Vihiga kubwatirana na gokonya na gotoria abasaya ne manukuru ase amariogo yogotindia gagukwana chinga gecho nigana kimuna yarabwe komanyana mukiriye gatambukero kigochikochakia ansemo yogoegeria na korongeia chitabie amanyikatabuna rehabilitation center imeye county yo ya Vihiga.
Kitu cha kwanza kabisa ambacho kinaweza kusaidia kugeuza jinsi tulivyo sasa ni kuweka kitu tunaita rehabilitation. Kwa mambo ya madawa ya kulevya na pombe, naamini kwamba ningependa kujenga rehab center ambayo itaweza kusaidia wale vijana kushughulika na mambo kama haya. Na vile vile nimeleta food pantry hapa ambayo ni kama wekeo la chakula, na vile vile mahali pa kusaidia vijana ambao wanasumbuka masomoni. Kwa hivyo naona kwamba tutaweza kushirikiana na viongozi wa county, viongozi wa kanisa na wengine hapa Vihiga County ili kuleta change katika eneo hili. Mtu yoyote ambaye anatumia madawa ya kulevya na mihadarati na pombe, hata umpe kazi hawezi kufanya. Naona vijana wengi wamelewa, by saa 2 asubuhi wamelewa chakari, hawawezi kufanya kazi. Pia ndoa zimeathirika. Wengi wavulana hawana familia kwa sababu zimesambaratika kwa sababu ya madawa ya kulevya. Unapata kwamba hata kuzalisha inakuwa ni shida kwa sababu ukiona vitu ambavyo vijana hao wanatumia ni hatari, ni sumu. Inatoa hata ule uwezo wa kuzalisha watoto. Kitu cha kwanza mimi natoa challenge kwa chiefs na assistant chiefs na wale village elders, kwa sababu wao ni kama kichungi ambacho haya mambo yanapitia. Wao wakisema kwamba pombe haitauzwa kwenye kijiji fulani, pombe haitauzwa. Polisi wanapoletewa kesi za wale wameshtakiwa kwa kuleta sumu kwenye vijiji, wakiwatelekeza na kuwaachilia wale, tunahangaika zaidi. Na mimi nasema hata county government na national government lazima sote tufanye pamoja na mashirika ya kibinafsi na kanisa ili tuweze kureverse athari hizi.
Na gukorera mujumbe w'ibunge ya Kiaru Mosike Samson Dindi Nyoro nigo anarikaba gakubole serikali kubwatuka chibaza kuchiasa sukuru na mano kubwatakana buna nigo etamu entangani ya chakire iyo mwako yoiga azanya kaba kane kuna gukira bona iga serikali tere bwatuka beza chisa ine kuchiasa sukuru Nyoro boigo niga gosereire buna nigo araje kwimukia getambukiro kende gionsi kuchiasa serikali onye serikali tere chukwane kuna chibaza chikeire chisukuru na mano gosira abarkiwa nzio morobuli ma kitabuna capitation.
Some of these things we are not begging. As leaders, sometimes we are just telling the government to do what they need to do. Last week, we told the government clearly that they needed to release a circular in terms of capitation, or we were going to do some unspecified actions. So I'm also now calling the government. You have not funded schools in the year 2026. You've only sent 109 shillings only to run our schools for this term. This first phase, we are going to make it as our obligation, first of all, to make all the stakeholders aware that what the government is saying is actually not true. It is incorrect. And we are going to observe within this term on the behavior, the demeanor, the body language of government, and especially in terms of sending money, not stories. And by the time we are going to the midterm, we expect the government to have sent the real money for this term. Failure to which we are going to mobilize all the Kenyan parents to demand what is their right.
Mwanjo murigereri goikrabo na tokorera mangana maya yekionga chinsanya litukeriga hali ya lero ya Jumanne tariki 4 chiomo tienyi omutangani kigima wa mwaka wa 2025 nemo je ni gongor kwa ni ototo nyangiri na kuransa memenyeleo ni gakor kwa Wilson Makori kuransa me transmission ni gakor kwa DJ Atsan go Kevin Ongeri na kwa niaba ya Gatemba TV tokana ili watukovya.